only give my name, it'll give my age. Today, warrants have been issued for the arrest of 3 individuals in connection with the murders of Sharon Tate, Abigail Folger, Rakowski, Stephen Parent, and Thomas John Sebring. These murders occurred on August the 9th on Cielo Drive in West Los Angeles. These persons also were involved in the murder deaths of Rosemary LaBianca and Lino LaBianca, president of Gateway Markets in Hollywood. This homicide took place a day later on August 10th, 1969. It is anticipated that an additional 4 or 5 persons will be named in indictments which will be sought from the Los Angeles County Grand Jury. The persons for whom warrants have been issued are Charles D. Watson, 24 years of age, now in custody in McKinney, Texas. Patricia Kernwinkle, who is not yet in custody, and Linda Louise Kasabian, not yet in custody. Well, motives are something that are difficult to perceive. There was no economic motive apparent in the Tate case, and there was minor, if any, economic motivation in the LaBianca case.
Chief Davis, to your knowledge, were any of the victims involved in the drug trafficking?
Any of the victims involved in drug trafficking? To our knowledge, none of the victims were engaged in the sale or trafficking in drugs in that fashion.
Yeah. Everybody tuned in, everybody focused. Anybody that's not ready?
Okay. Everyone has cameras and recorders set. I am Edward Davis, Chief of Police of the City of Los Angeles. Information from the 2 separate investigations of the Tate and LaBianca cases led detectives to the conclusion that the crimes in both cases were committed by the same group of people. Restrictions prohibit the revelation of further information at this time. In addition to the above restrictions, the security of the investigation requires that no additional information be published at this time. The Los Angeles Police Department wishes to express its appreciation for the excellent cooperation rendered by other law enforcement agencies during the development of information regarding both of the above cases. In particular, to Sheriff Peter J. Pitchess, head of the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department, for the cooperation of his men, and to Evel J. Younger, District Attorney of Los Angeles County, who has been most helpful in assigning Deputy District Attorney Miller J. Levy, Vincent Puglisi, and Aaron Stovitz as special deputies on the case. These attorneys assisted our investigators during the preliminary investigation in making certain that all legal requirements were complied with and will carry the case to its conclusion. Throughout the course of this 4 months investigation, the Los Angeles Police Department has received excellent cooperation from the news media. The news media has been tenacious in their attempt to keep the public informed, but they have also tempered this with a great deal of responsibility in the welfare of the community and allowing the department to proceed to this point without any undue advanced disclosure of some of our investigative efforts that they might have been partially aware of. So this concludes the formal statement. I will answer questions. I must admonish you that the United States Supreme Court in the case of Shepard versus Ohio and the Billy Saul Estes case has made it clear that there are many restrictions on what I can say that would have an impact on whether or not these named individuals or future individuals who will be arrested